Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain general structure of C++ program. So this concept is come under first PUC computer science, so commerce as well as science. So here it's very important questions for their examination purpose. So and it is basic for all C++. How the general structure of C++? So the general structure of C++ always started from documentation section. So documentation section, so it indicates the program name, date and other details of the programs. So it contains program name, so or date, data or date, so other some comments or remarks, so all those things are come under the documentation section. So comments is very important. Comments also come under the documentation section. So next one is link section. In link section, so required header files or link to programs. So link section means it contains the header files. Header files is nothing but, so you all know that include iostream.h. So ash include iostream.h. So these things we call it as header files. So these header files is come under the link section. So why header files is required means, so it's iostream.h is a file which contains the all definitions of input output functions. It contains all the definitions of input output programs. So here the main, what are the input, what are the output, some input we are given, some output we are taken from the system, all those things should be linked with the help of this header files. So header files having a link with all input and output. So next one is class definition. Class definition is defined as per the needs, so it can be defined by user. So as per user needs, they give the class name. For example, in some program they are going to design a program of the student, so on the time they take class student. So sometimes they are going to create the program of employee, so on that time they take as a class employee. So that is left to user. So whatever user needs, that type of names they can taken in this class definitions. For example, we can take class PUC, class student, class employee, so class salary, class company, class account. Like this we can give the any type of the class name based on the user. So it is defined by user as per their needs. And next one is main function. In main function, it is pronounced as a main function. So in every C++ program, one main function should be compulsorily present. So an execution starts from main function. So whatever we written in the program, so the main execution starts from main function. So that means the real execution start from main function. So this main function is pronounced as a main because see, after main, open and close braces are there. So this we call it as main function. So and next is open the braces. Why open the braces are useful? Open the brackets are useful because it indicates the beginning of the program. It indicates the beginning of the program because students you may don't know, because some people think that program will start from here. Program will start from here. No. So the real program is start from this open the flower bracket. So if open the flower bracket indicates you the program is going to begin. And next, inside the open the flower braces there is a local declarations. Local declaration means you may see students int a b c, float a b c. The data types we are going to return in local variables. Data types means int, float, char. So that type of things we are going to declare in local declarations. So next one is statements. Statement is executable statements to solve given problems. So the statement is useful for solve the given problems. So for example, you may know in COUT, CIN. COUT means C of output. CIN means C of input. So these types of statements we are going to use here. So COUT means for the display purpose, whatever we want to give, that we can give inside the COUT. And CIN, COUT, whatever the present inside the COUT, that should be printed in your display window, that means output window. So we are written inside the double united comma now. So what we write inside that should be display in the output window. So that is Cout. Cin means that is also like that only, whatever we taken, so that should be given in statements. So whatever we want to display, whatever we want to give, whatever we want to take from the computer, all those things should be come under the statements. And next one is return. Return makes the function to terminate or return value, or if return 0, it indicates the program as terminated normally. That means totally return indicates the termination of the program. It indicates termination of the program. And next one is close the braces. As you know, open the braces indicates a beginning of the program, and close the braces indicates the ending of the program. And last one is subprograms. Subprograms means extra functions or extra things like may get ch. So like these types of the function we are going to use here. So this is the overall representation of general structure of C++. In the next section I am going to explain the example of the C++. In this session I am explaining about just general structure. Next session I am going to explain on the example based on this general structure of C++. Thank you. Thanks for watching.